I'm going to go ahead and open this. Hang on. Okay, so I thought I had it open enough that I could do the rest with one hand. Oh, I'm so excited about this, guys. These are plastic business cards. And what I'm using these plastic business cards for, what I'm using them for is a gift card for my newest course. Okay, so this is going to be my newest course. Oops, I shouldn't have shown you that code online, because now you can go get a $199 course for free. But the thing is, I saw that they had plastic business cards. Now I used my own graphics there, and you can see it's white in the middle. This is just like a credit card. This is just like the feel and weight of a credit card. And so I have the design on both sides. The reason I did this through Vistaprint rather than going through a gift card company is because with Vistaprint, I was able to get a minimum amount of 25, okay? And the other companies wanted me to do minimums of 500, and that just wasn't going to work for me because I don't want 500 people in this class. I want 20 to 25 highly motivated people who are ready to change their lives, okay? So that's why I went with this. I'm really pleased with these. I was really kind of worried because some people said the colors weren't as vibrant on their reviews, and but I didn't see any video reviews. And this is pretty dark, but I have a dark palette that I'm using, and the back looks just fine. So there you have it. That's a review of the Vistaprint plastic business cards. You can use them to make gift cards for your business without breaking the bank. See, as a financial planner, I always like ways for people to do things that don't break the bank. I'm JJ Conway. Y'all take care and be blessed.